We will discuss about network topologies. Topology is the pattern of interconnection of nodes in a local area network, also known as a LAN. We have several topologies. We connect all nodes on a single cable called bus. Connecting the nodes in a ring is another option, or like star. You can connect all nodes with separate point-to-point links called mesh. Or you can also connect the nodes hierarchically, like tree. Or you can take any combination of any of these to form the hybrid topology. You are selecting any topology based on cost, reliability, in terms of fault detection, and flexibility, meaning how easily you add and remove nodes. So let's study all the topologies with their advantages and disadvantages. Bus topology. In bus topology, each node attaches directly to a common cable, which acts as the backbone. It works as a shared communication medium onto which various nodes are attached. A device wanting to communicate with another device sends a broadcast message in both directions onto the wire that all other devices see. But only the intended recipient, based on IP address in the packet, accepts and processes the message. Advantages of bus topology are: first, less installation cost due to the single common cable. Second, the linear architecture is very simple and reliable. Third, additional nodes can be easily connected in this topology. But the disadvantages of bus topology are: fault detection and isolation is difficult. Repeater required. If the central bus length becomes too long, and that's also require reconfiguration. For large number of nodes, performance problems are likely to occur because of shared cable. If the backbone cable fails, the entire network becomes unusable. Star topology. A star network features a central connection point, called a hub, to which all other nodes are connected. Each node has a dedicated set of wires connecting it to a central network hub. Advantages of star topology. Failure of a single node does not affect the entire network. Fault detection is easier. Disadvantages of star topology. More cable is needed, which increases the cost of the network. The entire network is dependent on the central node. If the central node fails, the entire network goes down. Tree topology. Tree topology is a combination of bus and star topology. There is central root branching and sub-branching down to the nodes. Advantage of tree topology is: 1. It's suited for applications which have a hierarchical flow of data and control. It's also provide good flexibility and scalability. Disadvantage is: it's difficult to configure compared to other topologies. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, every device is connected to another device via particular channel. So if you want to connect n devices, you require n-1 ports in each device. So here we have 4 computers, then we require 4-1 equals 3 ports in each computer. And total number of dedicated links required to connect them is n-1 divided by 2. That means here we require 4 times 3 times 2 equals 6 links. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 link. Advantages of this topology are: it provides security and privacy due to dedicated channel between each pairs of devices. Fault is diagnosed easily, and that's why it is robust. Disadvantages of this topology are: cost of cables are high as bulk wiring is required. Installation and configuration is difficult. Ring topology. In this topology, Each device connects two neighboring devices and forms the rings. Here, transmission is in one direction only, but it can be made bidirectional by adding another ring between each network device. It is called dual ring topology. To avoid collision in ring topology, one token will circulate in the ring. To transmit data, a station has to hold the token. After the transmission is done, the token is to be released for other stations to use. Then other stations can hold the token and transmit the data in similar fashion. Advantages of this topology. The possibility of collision is minimum in this type of topology. Cheaper installation and easy to expand. Disadvantages of this topology are: finding fault is difficult in this topology. Addition of stations or removal of stations can disturb the whole network. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, as the name suggests, is the combination of more than two topologies, like star, ring, and bus topology. This kind of topology you can make depending on organization needs. Advantages of hybrid topologies are: you can use benefits of different topologies so that it is flexible and reliable. On the other hand, the disadvantages of hybrid topologies are: it is complex in nature and also expensive. So I hope you understands all the network topologies. So see you next time with such exciting topic of computer science. Till then, bye-bye.